everyone, today I'm checking out the Flatsons Crush20 acoustic guitar amp, and this was sent to me for review, but as always, all opinions are my own. Let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing. First, inside the box is the user manual, USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and the Crush20 20 watts acoustic guitar amp. For a quick feature highlights, it has a 20 watts full range speaker, it has a dual channel setup, it has a built-in reverb, add step without muddying your tone. It has a Bluetooth 5.3. You can use it to play music from your phone or use it for backing tracks. USB-C charging cable, and it charges both units at the same time. One transmitter and one receiver. For the feature, it has a 5.8. Connecting my phone to the amp was straightforward and easy. It sounded pretty good, and this will be a great speaker for us when we go camping. This amplifier has 3000 mAh rechargeable battery, and it has an LED indicator for your battery status. I love the portable build, and it weighs 4.2 pounds. I like the angled speaker design. It looks like a monitor speaker on the stage, and that makes it easy to hear even when placed on the floor. I like the classic wood enclosure look, and the fabric grille gives it a premium acoustic vibe. It features a detachable leather handle for easy handling. It has two channels, and each one is designed for a different type of guitar. Channel 1 is made for active pickups or microphones, so it handles hotter signals really well. Channel 2 is for passive guitars, giving you a cleaner, more natural response. And this one is the one that I'm using. Both channels have their own volume controls, so it's easy to dial in the right level depending on what you're using. The sound coming out of this amp is honestly pretty good for its size. It has a nice, warm tone, and everything comes through clean. Nothing harsh or muddy. I didn't have to mess with the EQ too much either. Just a little bass and treble adjustment, and it was good to go. The reverb adds a bit of space to the sound, which makes it feel fuller without overdoing it. One thing to note, it doesn't have a headphone jack, so you can't practice quietly at night. So you just gotta keep it quiet or just turn the volume down. But overall, I really like this amp. I don't play gigs anymore, so most of my playing is just at home, taking a break from editing, jamming with backing tracks, or picking up the guitar whenever I feel like it. For that kind of everyday use, this thing fits perfectly. The sound is clean, the Bluetooth works great, and I'm definitely planning to bring it in our camping trips as portable speaker too. It's just a solid little amp that fits right into my routine. If you want to check this out, link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.